southwest now.
Oh, nice.
Nice. Come back. They have no engage yet. Come back.
Shaper
They don't
stuck
have
here.
engage yet. Listen.
Shaper
Shaper
stuck.
out. Shaper's out.
Yeah, come back inside.
Ilan shaper
Wait.
nila?
Yeah, wait. Liam looking. Defend shallow. Walk out.
Mugi. Shaper yata. Shaper engaging. Southwest.
Headbutt, get ready. Heal front line. Everything inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside now. Nice.
Ayun na, napipindot ko
Come
yung
back.
ano.
Good.
Yung mga dead body.
Hila pony.
May bounce
Liam's
sila
gonna engage shallow again. He's looking shallow.
UC. Yaw ba? Nahuli ako ng
Yo,
UC.
just hold.
Nabam sila sa likod.
Just hold. Ready defenses. You're ready your potions. We have potions. Fake only. Ready your potions. Listen.
I need my
Ready your
I
potions,
need
okay?
defenses sa front. Look out.
Step out now. Ready your potions. Listen. Spread. We're gonna absorb one. We're gonna absorb big one. Yo, spread. Get out of the front line. Cleanse the front line, okay? Spread. Q's in the bees, ah. Dibel, you can try to engage inside of them, ah. Spread. You're all on the north side, man. That's not spreading.
Liam looking.
Ready defenses, okay? Yo, perma engage, get ready. Ready, potion now.
Fake ulit.
On Liam. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on Liam. Now listen. Come back spread. Northwest. Q's in the bees. Heal up front line. They're gonna engage on the front. Defend shallow.
Defense.
Walk out.
Ang ina,
Nobody
sige,
died.
ako dun, ah.
Boys. Walk out. Nobody died. Walk out. Wait,
Defense sa front,
hold. South side, on the gate, get ready. We'll send it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, send it on the gate.
Guard the gate.
Oh my god, the DPS.
Hindi mo na cooldown.
Come back. Hold.
Liam walking up. Okay.
Spread. Yo, come back first level. We spread first level again.
Please, I think.
Big gear fast, guys.
Nice one, Tibil. Nice one. Yes, listen. Come back. Okay, good. We're good.
Guard the 1 10 seconds.
Healthy
Okay,
pa
okay.
party to mo.
Headbutt, get ready.
But get ready, people. I need support on my front. Not to front.
Headbutt, get ready.
1 10 seconds.
Where's my vape? Fuck. Yeah, Liam's looking, okay?
5 seconds, guard the 1.
Defend now. Just wait.
Shaper stuck. Engaging. Engage shaper south. North. Oh shit. The blue.
Listen, get ready. On the gate only, on the tanks on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on the tanks on the gate.
Guardians up front.
Ay, come back. Hold on.
Guard the 1 cooldown.
Main engage coming. Heal up.
10 seconds.
No. Fake.
Too many fake, man. Oh, alis dyan.
Why is my rigger so slow?
Namilipat tayo ng south. Where the fuck is Liam, man?
Yo, get ready your potions. South side, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1,
Shaper
south side now.
Shaper stuck. Shaper engaging.
Back. Hold on.
Wala akong root band, ah. Guardian sa front. Get ready.
Your DPS is not sync, DPS. Zibel, some DPS missing.
Hindi mo lang 5 seconds.
Yo, hold on. Careful.
Get ready, boys.
Front line only.
Guard the 1 10 seconds.
Yo, listen, look at the tanks in the front, ah. Kill them, ah. Wait. Perma engage. Wait. Okay.
Guard the 1 10 seconds.
Yo, heal up front line. You're ready. Yo, listen. Ready your potions, ah. We're gonna
Guard the 1
let bomb squad engage outside. Then we're gonna,
What the fuck is Liam doing, man? Too many fakes.
Ready. Defend shallow. Okay, they just engage. Zibel.
Shaper stacking.
Stacking the shaper.
Hindi mo lang cooldown.
Okay. Oh, fuck!
Guard the 1.
Hold on.
RP coming from this side.
Wait. East side? Our east side?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Parpy's there. Okay.
Hindi mo lang 5 seconds.
East side shallow, step up. East side shallow, on the tanks. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the tanks. Defend
Pwede sa front, Sa front,
Come back, listen, come back.
Face sila ng ano,
Pwede sa front.
ng UC.
I know.
In the front. Help.
I know. Cleanse front lane. Yo, ready defenses, okay. Yo, Shaper.
Shaper, boy, Shaper.
Yeah. Wait. Boys, wait, just hold.
Garden 1 cooldown.
Yo, listen, everyone, DPS, okay? How many DPS per D2?
Demon 1 15 seconds.
Okay. We have 10, we should be deleting, okay?
Garden 1 5 seconds.
Yo, get ready.
Yung Shaper nasa east side Stacking east side.
Headbutt, get ready.
Engaging now.
Shaper engaging north side.
Engaging sa
Shaper, heal north side. On the gate, get ready. Wait. Heal yun on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the gate. Listen, on the gate.
Get ready to
Yo,
absorb.
Shaper.
Get ready to absorb. Get ready to
Come
absorb.
back. Hold them. Listen, hold them.
Garden 1
Ready to absorb one. Ready to absorb one. Walk in. Ready to absorb one. Walk in. Spread.
Oh, labig ako. Guard son,
8 seconds. Just survive 8 seconds. Ready defenses inside. Defend inside. Heal up. Walk in. By the wall. Southeast, east side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now.
Demon 1 cooldown.
Come back inside.
Inside.
Garden 1
Get
5
back.
seconds.
Heal up front line. Yo, listen, heal up front line. Nobody died there. Except Gerald, apparently.
Resetting.
Set
Okay.
lang.
Get ready
Yeah,
for
just
ano?
hold.
Is my supports still here?
3
Are
seconds.
my supports still here? Okay.
Careful sa walls, guys, ha. Don't
Yo,
stick to the
listen.
walls.
A fast engage, ah. On the choke there.
Shaper engaging.
Shaper
Engaging,
engaging,
ah.
heal up.
Garden 1 13 seconds.
Yo, Marlica, get ready. Look at me. Look at the wall, ah. We're gonna engage on the wall southeast, ah. I need guardians and cleanses outside, ah. Listen, on the wall, by the wall, east side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. By the wall, east side now. Listen. Come back. Ready defense on the choke. Ready defense on the gate.
Demon 1 cooldown.
Come back.
Shaper
stacking
stacking.
Shaper
Shaper
stacking.
engaging.
Spread. Heal up.
Defenses.
Good job. Heal up my tanks, okay?
Light color.
Light collar. Nice one. Okay, heal up already.
Garden 1 13 seconds. Demon 1 3 seconds.
Yeah, Zibel, a lot of them are on the northeast shit. Yeah, listen, hold on. Ready defenses. Yo, on the gate only. Perma engage on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the gate only. Okay, now come back southwest. Come pull back southwest next gate. Pull back southwest.
Shaper stacking.
Shaper, heal up! Fast! Come southwest, fast! I'm already inside, you guys are still outside.
Resetting.
Now hold, listen, just hold. Ready, defend shallow.
15 seconds.
Fake.
Fake lang yan ah.
Everyone step up. Wait, come back.
Defenses, get ready.
Headbutt, get ready. Just hold.
Get ready. 3 seconds root bound.
Look at me, on the tanks only. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on the tanks only.
Defenses up front.
Headbutt, heal.
Shaper engaging.
Shaper stacking. Good.
Garden 1 13 seconds.
Listen, now hold this. Just hold this area here. Okay, wait, just hold there.
Did
Watch
anyone
that Shaper
die?
southeast over the wall, ah.
Okay, good.
Garden 1 13 seconds.
Okay.
1 7 seconds.
No, he's not. He's just waiting for me to go outside.
Fucking fakes, man.
Yeah.
Fucking fakes.
Go. I'm waiting them to engage on me. Wait.
Garden 1 13 seconds.
Guys. Heal in the front, guys.
You're ready to headbutt fast, ah.
5 seconds. Garden 1.
Yeah.
Ready, defend shallow. Southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now.
Demon 1 cooldown.
Light color.
Nice. One of them dead. Come back.
Garden 1 13 seconds. Resetting.
Okay.
8 seconds. Demon 1.
Yeah, that's our Shaper.
Garden
No,
1,
engage pa rin yan ah. No, engage pa rin yan ah.
cooldown Garden 1.
Okay.
Triple set, no spec.
Yo, hold on, hold on.
Demon 1 lightning.
Yeah, there's hitting. I think some of them are hitting the small
Garden
gate.
1, 13 seconds.
Yo, Marlika, step up a bit. Marlika, step up a bit. Yo, perma engage on the tank shallow. On the tank
Okay,
shallow. 5,
defenses
4, 3,
front.
2, 1. Shallow, 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 shallow.
Defenses front.
Kill it, please. Come back. One dead. Come back. Two dead. Come back fast. Just guard your armor and spread, okay? Nice, 1 TBL.
Demon 1 cooldown.
Shipper stacking. Over the wall.
Yo, listen.
Shipper engaging south.
Defenses.
Careful,
Shaper.
Easy. Defend shallow.
Defenses ulit.
Oh my god, boys. Come
5
back.
seconds, Demon 1.
Majority my Zergo's already here.
Nag-bench ako sa Shaper papunta dun sa engage nila.
Yo, listen, step up, boys. Step up.
Garden 1, 13 seconds.
Look at, wait, inside, wait. On Parpy, southwest, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on Parpy. Can we kill Parpy here? The fuck? Why is he here? Oh, come southwest, come back inside. What the fuck's Parpy there?
Garden 1, 10 seconds.
Get ready.
Ready defense up front, ready defense on my bomb. Oh my god, TBL, let's go!
Kasi ano.
Step up.
Patay Shaper.
Dead shipper nila Mugya. Wala sa shipper din.
Wait.
Walang shaper yan ah. Focus on the
Ready
fucking
defenses? Yo, look at the gate, okay? South is on the gate. Wait, north side, over the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on the wall. No, listen, come back.
Get ready.
Hold them. They're gonna try to engage inside. Listen. They're gonna try to engage inside, okay? Ready defenses inside. Guard runes, ready. Ready defenses. They're looking deep. Defense shallow. Now everyone walk in now. Walk in now. Everything on top of me. Get ready. Southeast deep east side. By the stairs. 5, deep east side. 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep east side now. Nice. Now listen. Spreading come back. Yo, spread. Okay, spread. Heal up front line, okay? Liam's gonna look. Ready, guardians. Full defense up front now. Full defense up front now. Nice. Heal up only. Okay, step up again. Shallow, get ready. Shallow north side, by the wall, north side, get ready. Wait, by the wall north side, on the clericals. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, by the north side now.
Delacroix.
Come back. Kill the one. Come back.
Defenses ah. Get ready.
Come back. Cleanses and come back. Defend shallow. They miss, walk in.
Na-DC ako.
6 seconds, Marlika, 6 seconds. Look at me inside, on the brawlers inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the brawlers inside. Clap this.
Guard runes.
Come back. Can we kill the brawlers? Come back. You're ready defense on my bomb squad. Kill front line. Ready defense on my bomb squad. Liam looking. Get ready to headbutt. Ready potions. Listen, potion now. Walk in. Potion walking. Go deep. Inside of us. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside of us now. Come back. Bruh.
Di naman ako delete. Let's go.
Guys, I don't care if you're half HP. God. I don't care if you're half HP. Listen to me. I don't care if you're half HP.
Shaper
God.
nila. Andiyan na shaper nila.
3 minutes Oshi ah.
Come back. They're looking on the gate,
Wala pa Demon 1, on the way pa lang ako.
Shaper stacking.
Shaper stacking.
Shipper north side. Shipper engaging.
Shaper north side. Trigger fast. DPS, I don't care if you're half HP. If I tell you to fucking engage. I don't care if you die.
3 minutes Oshi guys. Ingat.
Babalik ka ba
Everyone
ba?
WC.
Beginnis.
On the way.
Okay.
Like I said, commit. Yo, listen, shallow. Pull it to the gate. Okay, wait. Listen, on the. Okay. You don't. Yeah, listen. Come back.
Right collar.
Sana 1v1 yung dalawang balista.
Okay, up front. I need defenses up front. Defenses up front.
Shaper inching up.
Listen, shallow on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on the gate, shallow on the gate, shallow on the gate. Yo, where's the Guardian offensive? Come back.
Guardian, stuck in na.
Shaper engaging south.
Okay.
Shaper engaging, Shaper engaging. Heal up. Defense
Engaging.
front line, defense front line, heal front line. They don't have engage. On the tanks
Oh.
only, get ready. Listen, get ready. On the tanks, clericals, 5, 4, 3,
Guardians
2,
up
1. On the tanks
front.
only. Can we get the tanks here? Good job. Come back.
Liam
The J is dead,
looking.
Come back. Yo, listen, this gate's about to break 38%, okay? I'm down to fight on this area. Just listen. Later, on this area, we just clear.
Shaper stacking north.
Engaging.
Some people can go north side, okay? Listen, on the gate, get ready. Ready defenses, okay?
Defenses.
Guardian 1, 13 seconds.
Defenses. Wake up pa. Wait lang. Saan natin?
Guardian 1, 13 seconds.
Okay. Just wake up guys, wake up.
Liam's gonna look, Get ready to headbutt.
Patripan the beginning.
Fake only, that's a fake.
Wake up, please, wake up.
Guardian 1, 13 seconds.
Okay.
They're waiting for gears. I'm waiting for my gears.
Looking,
Shallow, defenses.
Liam.
Shaper inside
Step
ah,
up.
Shaper.
Look at inside, on the brawlers inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside. Kill the brawlers inside. Nice, come back.
Shaper stacking inside.
East-side,
Yo, tanks, as much as possible, you can bait and engage.
Shaper.
You can bait and engage, but don't die, okay?
Okay.
I'm just gonna keep engaging shallow on those tanks, on those
Root
fucking
bound,
DPS inside.
bound.
Yo, Liam's looking, ready. Defend shallow
Defense
now,
looking,
defend shallow now. Step up. We're gonna engage shallow, inside, get ready, On the tanks inside, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the tanks inside. The healing, tangina, naunahan tayo mag-healing hood. The fuck?
They're pulling
Bagal
back.
ang Helion Hood dati.
Mali yung pwesto ng hilinod ko. Sa ano ako banda?
Guardian 1, 13 seconds.
Sa stairs banda yung hilinod ko. Ayun.
Pero nasa inside ah.
Nag-reset ako sa
Double OC, Marlica.
Double OC, kanina pa.
dropping Guardian 1.
Okay.
10 seconds.
Yo, listen, the gate's about to break. It's 23%, okay? Yo, can we look at this, ano? Can we look at this tank inside of us? Wait. On him, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on him. Kill him. Come back. Tangina naman.
Liam
Tangina
looking.
tigis naman yan, mga bungo ang
Ini-engage
puta.
sila sa likod. Ini-engage sila sa likod.
Yeah, listen, step up. No, come back. Liam's looking.
Okay, back. Liam's looking.
God, man. We just want to kill one tank and you guys don't kill it.
Sino kalaban nila sa labas? Mga rat lang.
Plus.
UC.
Shaper stacking inside ah. Shaper
Liam's
stacking.
looking. He's gonna engage on the
Fuck
gate.
daw,
Engaging. Shaper.
Wala akong root bound. Paki-check.
Everyone listen. Step up now. Step up now.
Sa front.
Northeast shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow.
6 seconds pa yung ano ko.
Come back.
Get ready.
I need a better healing hood, man. Come back.
Ako lang ata mag-isa hilinod.
Gemma, better.
Resetting.
Using abuse on this tank inside. Hello?
Dropping Guardian.
Liam's looking on the gate now.
5 seconds, Demon 1.
Everyone listen, step up. Okay?
Defenses up front ha.
Yo, Liam's looking. Ready your potions. Listen, potion now. Southeast. 5, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Walk out. Liam dead. Walk out. Hold them. Walk out. Ready defenses. On the choke. Everything. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now.
Reset.
Now. Ay, loot up. Kill everyone.
Light color sa north, oh. Light color. Oh.
You loot up also. Good Gucci itong mga kalaban natin. You get the light color.
Meron pa dito sa ping. Healers.
Si Mimi. Si Alpha yung inaano eh. Inaharas.
Ang ganda ng hold ko doon. Kill everyone.
Hindi na ako na makapaglakad.
Ay.
Nice looting boy.
Ganun pa lang palagi.
Equal na ping sa northwest, guys.
Ganun pa lang palagi, pre. Palagi sila